Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to automate cold email outreach with GoHighLevel. If you're looking to streamline your outreach process and save hours of manual follow-ups, this automation will handle everything from initial contact to booking appointments automatically. First, open your web browser and head over to GoHighLevel.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log in with your credentials to access your dashboard. Click on the login button at the top of the homepage, enter your email and password, and hit sign in. This brings you directly to your GoHighLevel dashboard where all the magic happens. Now, from the left side menu of your dashboard, look for the option labeled Automation and click on it. This takes you to the Workflows page, which is where you'll build your entire cold email sequence. In the top right corner of the Workflows page, you'll see a button that says Create Workflow. Click that and an expanded menu will appear. Select Start from Scratch to open up the Workflow Editor window where you'll design your automation. Inside the Workflow Editor, the first thing you'll do is give your workflow a name. Something like cold email works perfectly. Now let's add the trigger that starts this whole process. Select contact created as your first trigger. This is crucial because it means every time you add a new contact to your CRM, this workflow automatically kicks in and begins the outreach sequence without you lifting a finger. After the contact is created, we'll send the first email. This usually consists of a welcome greeting or a simple introduction. Click the plus button and from the right side panel, select Send Email. Enter your action name, add a compelling subject line, then click Save Action. This initial email sets the tone for your entire outreach. For the next step, we'll add a wait action. This is where things get smart. Click the plus button again and select Wait. On the right side panel, you'll customize this step based on how the contact reacted to your first email. Enter an action name, then in the Wait For field drop-down menu, click Email Event. A new field appears asking which event to wait for. Select your first email, then for the next action, tick the boxes for opened and clicked. This ensures your contact actually engaged with your email before moving forward, making your outreach far more effective. Now we'll send a second email. Click the plus button and select Send Email again. This time you'll present your products and services in the subject and email body. Write compelling copy that addresses their needs, then click Save Action. Add another wait step by clicking the plus button and selecting Wait. Enter your action name and for the Wait For field, select Contact Reply. Choose the second email you just sent, then click Save Action. This pause ensures you're only progressing with contacts who show genuine interest. Finally, we'll book this contact for an appointment. Click the plus button and select Book Appointment. Under the Calendar section, choose Schedule an Appointment, enter your preferred time and date, then save the action. This completes your automated cold email sequence that nurtures leads and books appointments without any manual intervention. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.